Hi, welcome to Catrix. Today we'll make this example by using both extrude feature and using appearance that we could change color to yellow color. We will use 2D sketch drawing to convert it to 3D sketch models. So let's start. First I will look at sketch. We have a rectangle 60 millimeters by 50 millimeters. And we have 3 fillets of 10 millimeters diameters. So let's start. As usual, I choose a plane that I will work on. I will work on top plane. Then I go to sketch and choose rectangle. I will add dimensions 60 millimeters by 15 millimeters. And I will draw these two lines 30 millimeters from left edge and 20 millimeters from upper edge. I will use trim to cut this extra line, also to cut the outer unneeded lines. I will define this line by 30 millimeters from left edge. I will add fillets, 10 millimeters fillet here and here. I will both extrude by 10 millimeters. Okay. Then I will draw the shape, this shape. Thickness is 10 millimeters. Distance 30 millimeters. First thing, so on the surface I will make a sketch. I will choose line and start making the shape. Let dimensions, it's 30 millimeters. I want to make a fillet, but it can't be done here, so I have to draw a line from this point and choose fillet and make this fillet. I will delete the upper horizontal line and make this 10 millimeters. Not 1, it's 10. And I will trim this upper line, trim extra line here. And I will define this distance by 50 millimeters to the ground. And this is 10 millimeters. This is 20 millimeters. And I will go to features and select both extrude by 10 millimeters in the other direction and select OK. On this surface I have to make have to make this bracket. Choose a surface, convert ends of these two lines, select line from this point to this point. Now go to feature and select extrude the other direction by 10 millimeters. Select OK. Here we are. We made the shape. Now we'll go to appearance and select yellow color. Now it's the same shape as 2D sketches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it for more SolidWorks videos. Bye.